the ideal solution for schools and nurseries. Healthy, delicious, high-quality food for children and young people, demanding parents, increasing stringent regulations and low budgets, all challenges you face every day. Menu quality and price are both key factors in determining how well school and nursery food service programs are accepted. But how do you do that with little space, staff lacking kitchen experience and enormous budgetary pressure? The solution is the new Self-Cooking Centre. No matter if you're preparing 30 meals or 150 or more, you can prepare an unbelievable variety of food within less than 1 square metre of space. It cooks quickly, it's easy to use, and delivers exactly the food quality you're looking for time and time again. It takes care of all the necessary settings for you, such as cooking cabinet temperature or cooking time, and handles all the checking and monitoring as well. Now, even untrained staff can produce crunchy bread, tasty pasta, delicious flavour, and vibrant colour. The health aspect doesn't fall by the wayside either. The Self-Cooking Centre prepares food gently, which preserves vitamins and minerals, and you'll need up to 95% less fat than you would with standard equipment. It replaces almost all conventional cooking appliances, such as convection ovens, tilting fryers, boilers, deep fat fryers, or grills, which saves space and investment costs. With the Self-Cooking Centre, you only produce as much as you actually need, so you completely avoid overproduction. And you'll also enjoy significant savings on raw materials, working hours, energy, and water consumption, so you'll be able to offer top quality at low prices. And of course, at the end of the day, it conveniently takes care of cleaning itself as well. Curious? Let's talk.